I'm Mark Feeney, Business Consultant at Early Years, the organisation for young children. Together with Ryan Adams from Instil, I will be running a workshop at our June conference on cyber safety for early years settings. Cyber safety is an important issue and we want to help you move from confused to confident. If you're planning on attending our conference, I would encourage you to sign up for our workshop. We will be looking at why cybersecurity is a management responsibility, common attack methods, cyber risks specific to the early years sector, how to respond in the first minutes of a suspected incident, applying practical security habits in your daily work, and understanding your role within a cyber incident response plan. I look forward to seeing you there.